Hello sir, good afternoon. So this video is connected po sa aming second activity nung nakaraan kung saan nag-create po kami ng admin na user. So now, using this code, kailangan lang po namin mag-create ng user na para sa website na magre-register. So now, makikita naman po dito na napalitan po at nandito pa rin po yung aking name and my surname na naka-indicate sa ating code. Hindi ko na rin po yan ginalaw at dinagdagan ko na lamang po for the user. So now, we're going to our website. Ito na po yun ang aking website. So this makikita po na naka-open yung dalawa kong account, Gmail account for this website kasi kailangan po ng dalawang account for the login admin and for the user. So magkaibang email or Gmail ang aking ginamit na pag login dito. So una ay niregister ko na po yan. So dito sa ating database, makikita sa ating user na nakapag-register na po ako ng dalawa. So this account is ito po yung gagamitin nating user. So yung isa naman po ay gagamitin natin as the admin. Yan. Makikita naman dito sa ating activity logs kung ano na yung ginawa ng ating user at ng ating admin. So ayan, makikita po dito. And the products, kung mag-add tayo ng products mamaya, makikita rin naman po natin dito. And the sessions is still here and updated po yan. And now we're going to the post. Makikita natin yung post. So ayan, may na-create na po akong apps and it's not an apps. May na-create na po akong post for the testing po kanina. So mag-add na lang po tayo mamaya, and now makikita po natin dito sa ating database. And next, punta na po tayo sa ating website kung saan ipapakita ko po yung paglalagin muna ng ating user. So ang login natin, so ayan, makikita po dito na may isa akong post and may isa din pong tayong comments. So this approve post ay i-approve po yan ng admin once na nag-post tayo. So andito po yung update to profile. I-update mo lang naman yan. And kung kailangan mong i-update yung password, then update your profile. So may deactivate my account din naman po tayo if you want to deactivate this account. And now andito makikita rin po dito sa ating profile yung activity logs kung saan na-post po ako kanina ng crafts titled and updating my profile. So now pupunta tayo sa all post. Ayan, ito po yung sinasabi kong blog post kung saan nag-post po ako kanina for testing. But now we were going to add post. So kunwari mag-create tayo ng title na for school requirement, etc. na naman po ito. For testing lang naman po. And then we're going to publish. And now the post creatively successful and is pending approval. So ibig sabihin po ay i-approve pa po ito ng ating admin. So now, titingnan rin na natin itong manage post kung saan itong crafts ay posted na kanina. So, pwede nang i-edit. Update. Okay, and pwede din naman po i-delete yan. But now, tingnan natin muna sa ating database kung na-update yung ating manage posts na crafts. So, nasa post pa rin tayo, and now ayan, may dagdag po yung for school requirement, and napalitan po siya ang ating crafts na content na happy. So, now going back, kung gusto namang i-delete, then we can now delete. Yes, delete it, and successfully delete it. And now we're going back to the database, and titingnan natin kung na-delete yun. And that's it, na-delete na po siya. And now we're going to see all the posts. So wala pang makikita dyan kasi kailangan pa pong i-approve yon ng admin. So now ilalog out natin itong account, and then ilalog in naman po natin yung admin account. So this is the admin account. And nagbe-verify din pala po siya, gaya din po ng pag-register kanina, at pag-login kailangan po ng verification. So this will verify. So yan, using my email. And i-verify natin yon dito. So yan, makikita dito sa ating dashboard the categories, the total users, products, and the pending post. So kanina sa ating user ay may post siya, but now we're going to see, and we have to approve it. We're going to the manage post, and ito for school requirements, and then status niya ay pending, so we have to approve it or reject it. But now I'm going to show the approve para makita kung ano yung post nito sa ating user. So that's it. Continuous po yan na mawawala ng display once na na-approve na po yung mga post. But now, kung pending pa rin po, ay makikita naman po dito. So now, we have the reports, we have the products, and the category. So this is the users. Yan. Pwede nating i-delete, and pwede din naman nating i-edit. So you can add here also a user. But nakikita rin natin dito na active sila. So now, for this video ay makikita man po yung commenting. Hindi ko na isasali dito yung pag-add ng products and the categories kasi yun na po yung previous natin na activity number 2. So now, ang kailangan lang naman po doon is the comments section. So nag-create and publish na ng post, nag-edit and delete ng post. The commenting system ay makikita na rin po natin ang gagawin. So now, we're going back to our dashboard, and makikita dito yung mga wala na tayong pending post. So this is the admin. Yes. And now we're going to log out, and we're going back to log in the user. So, kailangan po natin ulit ng verification for this email. And now, going back and refresh. So this ayan, na-approve na po yung post natin. So now, makikita natin dito ulit sa ating activity logs na andito po yung mga ginawa natin for this day. And now, we're going to see all the posts. And now, makikita natin dito yung title na for school requirements. So, if we're commenting, kunwari, good job. Sorry. So, ayan. Good job. And now, click the comment. So, ayan po. Magpapakita na po dito yung comment ng ating users. So, now, makikita naman dito sa ating dashboard statistics ang ating total comments. So, yan. And now, manage post is here. Tapos na din naman po natin i-edit and i-delete ang isang post kanina. The add post is done and publish the post is done. The commenting is done. And now we're going back to this database and titingnan natin kung na-approve. Yes, na-approve na po yan. And dito makikita kung pending or approve yan. So, kanina pending and now it's approved na. Then, we're going to the users. It's still and the activity logs is here. Updated na updated. The comments is here. Good job. So, kanina nagkaroon din naman po tayo ng comments dito. Yung previous na tinesting natin, but we delete it, kaya now tapos na din ito. So now kailangan na pong so now I think tapos na po ako and at napakita ko naman po lahat ng kailangan at ang requirements para sa activity na ito. So, sir, I would like to thank you and sana po may grade pa rin po ito. That's all, sir. Thank you po.